Morning. How are you?
Fine.
Have a seat. From Logan.
Yeah, I just wanted to meet you, sir. Just wanted to update you on my appraisal. So I got a appraisal letter, and it was something shocking to me to know the figures on the appraisal letter. So I hope you are aware with my appraisal figures. I joined in the month of October. You have been given us a oral commitment. I was asking for the written commitment, but as you said, it was not. It is not as per the company policy. So based on your personal commitment, I accepted your offer, and you have been given us a commitment that after completion of probation, I will be eligible for the appraisal. Nevertheless, I haven't received that appraisal also, but this is a routine company appraisal. I was expecting something good in that appraisal letter, but what figures are here?
As I remember,
I just wanted to finish my thoughts. I hope the appraisal has been made on the based on the figures or based on the facts what I have done in last 7 or 8 months. So that's I need to ensure on what basis that these appraisals have been done, whether it is based on the factual figures or something that assumptions have been made. Or I don't know. I just wanted to have some clarification on these figures.
Actually, this, as you are aware, this our appraisal procedure is very written down, and that we have categorized all grade, your individual contribution plan, your behavior with organization. In that, your past experience and where you join, that is also taken care, because our appraisal from April to March. If you join for say January or February, for that 2 or 3 months also we are taking care with some margin. In that, when you join, I think you are joining in July month.
Yeah, in the month of
October month. In October month, then your ICP is created in that month itself. In that, how much you are going to be your target, then your site visit and all these points are taken care. On that basis, and there are some margin with your superior also.
Okay, what I feel, sir, I have failed my LCP. Results are there. Those figures cannot be changed. So the ICP
has to be paid at the starting of the work.
The ICP has been analyzed, my boss. The figures have been put on in front of me. But I don't think what happened at the latter stage, I don't know. But if you check really with my boss what projects I have been handling, what quantum of work I have been done, so you would have been convinced by my boss itself. But I think it's something mistake or something wrong in the analysis or something. But I feel you should check with my boss also what kind of work, what kind of
for your individual ICP. There you have given some target of 60 or 70 or 65 crore rupees for yours. Rest of it October to January, October to March. On your individual contribution plan, your team contribution plan will be decided. With your team contribution plan, our business contribution plan is decided. On that basis, what we achieved in the March ending, on that amount, our increment or appraisal will be decided. With this our achievement, we have figured out for 10 to 12% increment for the year. That 10 to 12% will distribute individually on group wise, then conclude personally.
The same point I wanted to highlight you, sir. You are saying that the 10 to 15% is equally or by the category distributed. For the same reason I have been here. In fact, see, sir, I'm a BE mechanical with 6 years of experience in project management. I have completed my postgraduate diploma, and again I'm applying for the MBA. So, what during interview you told me that you will be considering doing your appraisal, and now what I'm seeing is the rating I have received now is something different from what my colleagues have received. So I just wanted to know what exactly the things gone wrong that I'm getting this kind of rating. Whether my performance is weak or what exactly If the performance is weak, then there is a nothing. I hope there is nothing related to my performance because my boss, my project is going smooth. There is nothing related to performance. My clients are happy. I don't know what exactly.
No, you cannot say that my performance is good, but that has to be reflected in your
Exactly.
appraisal.
Exactly.
See,
If
if
you
your
check-
performance is good and your appraisal is bad, there is something going to be wrong with you.
We can fit.
Or with
We can
your
put a
resume.
figure. We can put a figures on a paper and we can analyze the performance. If you check my SCP, my whatever I have been given a targets and what are the actual figures, what I have been achieved. So if you compare those, you can be very well convinced that I have been well performer or as in a company policy.
Last 3 minutes.
Okay. See, you are at the time of joining, you appointed it, and your salary or other terms and conditions decided based on your past experience or whatever you had in.
I'm just asking,
It's
sir,
very
what
trivial.
about those verbal commitments given to me? Because
See, verbal
my-
commitment, whatever I given, your appraisal will be after 6 months. Okay. That is as per company policy, company norms, time span is decided on that appraisal has been done. But how much increment or how much promotion you have to get, that is totally depend on your performance.
Exactly the same thing. I again repeating, sir. My performance is good. So what? Why this? Why I'm
See,
getting?
you can, your performance
Is
is
it
good.
because
You are not supposed to say your performance
Is
is
it
good.
because I'm a?
Other your senior and other person has to say that your
No, I'm
performance is
just
good.
telling you, sir. Is it because I'm a new?
No, this is not a
New
matter.
entrance in
This
this
is
organization.
only bias and
Because
bias.
if this is the case, then I would have been negotiated in better way during my offer stage or during my appointment later. Because you have given me some commitments at that time, so I believe you, and I accepted this offer. And now the what I am seeing is simply what I have. My considerations are totally wrong. What I wanted to
Actually,
say.
whatever commitment I has HR person will give, that will be only for your when you will do your appraisal, what will be the mode of the transferring. But nobody will give commitment that we will give 10%, 15%, 20% rise. Yeah, your appraisal has to be done. Okay, that is already done. But how much and how promotion or other activities, that will be dependent on your performance, and your performance is reflected in your appraisal.
Thank you.